Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to clear cache and data to fix ChatGPT bugs. Most ChatGPT glitches disappear after you clear temporary data. So first of all, for Android, what you're gonna do is go ahead and open your settings app, search for apps, and then go to ChatGPT and then click on storage, then clear cache. For iPhone, head over to your settings app, click on general, click on iPhone storage, scroll down, find ChatGPT, and then click on offload app. Offloading your app will free up storage used by the app, but it keeps documents and data. Reinstalling the app will base back your data if the app is still available for download. Next, reopen the app, log back in if needed, and that's bonus tip. Don't hit clear data on Android unless the app totally breaks. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.